They say that our kids enjoy, and that even if they're running fever, they don't want to miss the scrap lab.
Okay.
Definitely, this is an ideal example of experiential learning, and education is all about preparing you for life. This prepares you for the real life.
Yes, of course, when they take back the whatever they have made in the class, they take it back, they explain it to their parents, and parents have commented on it that they were really happy to see that their children have learned how to drill. They have held a drilling machine in their hands, of course manual, and they were quite happy about it. They learn, their vocabulary also increases, their experiences also increase. Then using nuts and bolts, screw, unscrew, they are able to do it. So with this, I think you are helping them to develop their fine motor skills as well.
See, the moment a child is looking forward to something to be done during the day, I think more than half the battle is won. Because when I see these kids and they know that they're going to the scrap lab, there's a different kind of expression on their faces. There's a little twinkle in their eyes. Oh ma'am, we are going for the scrap lab. You know, it's that high-end tone. Oh ma'am, we are going to the scrap lab.
When we do conventional teaching, the chalk and board and the very, very boring looking books, the children feel it's a compulsion. This is real learning, and so they have fun because they enjoy making it. It's like a play, it's like game for them, and they end up learning. So that's the best combination.